Ledger partners with iPod creator Tony Liddell to build the latest hardware wallet. What's going on, everyone? RJ here. And in today's video, we're going to talk about Ledger's latest announcement introducing their new hardware wallet, which you can pre-order right now, which is called Stacks. And as of right now, it is all the rave. Make sure you guys check our show sponsors down below. Keystone, which is the hardware wallet of my choice. Protect yourself from the notorious cybersecurity crime known as SIM swapping with Efani. And Encrypt and protect your data while you surf the web with AtlasVPN. And with that, let's head into today's video. Ledger demand booms as it announces new crypto hardware wallet. And on CoinDesk, we'll see something similar, but with a little more precise piece of information, which is Ledger partners with iPod creator Tony Liddell to build the latest hardware wallet. The Ledger Stacks is a sleek device that features an e-ink display that can show transaction details and even NFTs on its exterior. So let's go over some key takeaways in this article before we actually head over to Ledger's website to check out this new device. Crypto wallet maker Ledger has partnered with Tony Liddell, the well-known creator of Apple's iPod and the co-founder and former CEO of thermostat company Nest, to create its Ledger Stacks hardware wallet. With these stacks, Ledger was hoping to develop a more stylish and functional device than the previous Nano S, which looks more like a USB thumb drive, and one that can win mass adoption by crypto users, according to Pascal Gauthier, Ledger's CEO and chairman. We wanted to do something that is more fun and fits where our culture is going, said Ian Rogers, Ledger's chief experience officer, in an interview with CoinDesk. So here's a quick glimpse of the stacks, and you'll see why it's called Stacks in just a moment. The wallet is a credit card sized device with embedded magnets so that multiple devices can easily be stacked. The outside is a wrapped around e-ink display that can show transaction details and even NFTs. The Ledger Stacks will retail for $279 compared to $79 for the Nano S Plus and $149 for the Nano X wallet. It's perhaps a propitious time Ledger has chosen to launch a new hardware wallet, as interest in self-custody appears to be picking up following the collapse and asset freeze at centralized crypto exchange FTX, as well as other crypto firms. We were ready for this moment, Roger noted. Indeed, Ledger said November 14th, 3 days after FTX filed for bankruptcy, was the best sales day ever for its devices, while the previous day was its second best sales day ever, and November was its best sales month ever. Ledger said that it sold over 5 million hardware wallets in 200 countries since the company was founded in Paris 2014. The Ledger Stacks will be available in the first quarter of 2023, with pre-ordering available on ledger.com. It uses secure USB-C to connect to the Ledger Live app on the laptop and Bluetooth to connect to the mobile app on a smartphone. It will also utilize the up-and-coming wallet extension Ledger Connect to connect to some Web3 applications. Okay, so let's actually go into Ledger's website where we can go into their Ledger Stacks. All right, so this looks really, really cool. I'm not gonna lie, because I obviously have the Trezor and I have the Keystone. The Keystone is amazing for me when I travel because I can just use my phone. I don't need to open up my laptop. I don't need to connect the laptop to Wi-Fi and then plug it in and then try and do a DeFi or crypto transaction on the go. I can just pull out my phone, pull out the Keystone, and I do my transactions. And as long as my mobile device has either Wi-Fi or cellular connection, I can initiate those transactions. But for when I'm here in the studio, the Trezor is actually what I use, all right? And as you can tell, it's not known for its sleek, stylish design. It's just got two buttons, one to approve, one to reject, all right? So when we are looking at this Ledger Stacks, this is my biggest toxic trait, and that's just buying gear. I'm a gearhead. I love buying latest and greatest technologies. I'm a forward thinking and forward moving technology person. And so I think they hit it on the head that if they're wanting to move towards mass adoption, they need to target what our current demographic is looking for. And something like this looks really, really sleek, especially since the whole thing is wrapped around an e-ink display. So on the side here, you can see some piece of information like Noah's crypto, my mint bag, and then of course the family backup. So you can have multiple different hardware wallets stacked on each other, and you'll see all the different things displayed, such as battery and whether if it's locked and encrypted. And so if we continue to scroll down here, let's watch this video. I'm gonna mute it because I don't know if it's gonna hit me with copyright music, but let's take a look. So you're gonna notice right away here that it looks very Apple-esque, right? It's got its little animations, the stacks. I mean, this thing looks very, very clean. Now, keep in mind that the display doesn't look like it does color. It only looks like it does black and white, and we're going to show you why that matters in a sec here. And that's it. That was the 30-second video. So if we scroll down, it'll say be ready to personalize with your favorite NFT or picture. So you can see that when it comes to the actual ledger stacks, it does convert it to black and white. So I think it's not capable, at least this iteration first, is not capable of color, but don't be surprised if this thing pops off and takes off, that they will be implementing a colored version. I'm calling it right now down in the future. But for now, it looks like it is doing black and white colors only. So if we scroll up and we hit pre-order now, you are going to see straight up here, it is that very hefty $279, and estimated delivery is by end of March 2023. But you can go ahead and start your pre-order here. Again, a very, very sleek looking hardware wallet. Probably one of the sleekest I've seen right now. And here you are stacking them. So like, let's say I have my Trezor. Let's say I import this wallet into one of the stacks, and then I import another one that holds my Bitcoin, and I can have two of them and they're stacked together and they look really nice. That right there is how you hook RJ. That's how you hook me, is by doing something like that. So really, really cool. I am digging it. I really am going to say I'm digging it, because between Ledger and Trezor, I obviously went with Trezor, but this might put me into the Ledger family. But that's pretty much about it. If you scroll down here, you'll see other pieces of information that we've already covered. What's over here? Oh, and then frequently asked questions, if you have any frequently asked questions. So I'd be intrigued to know what you guys think. Are you gravitating towards this Ledger stacks? Does it look cool? Anyone out there that says it doesn't aesthetically look cool, I would challenge is lying to me. But I can say it looks very, very cool. Again, just this is me personally talking, okay? Working in technology for 15 plus years. I just personally don't like Bluetooth connection, so I would be using the Ledger stacks in replacing my Trezor as the hardware wallet while I'm here in the studio, just connected to my computer. I personally won't be using the Bluetooth feature. So let me know what you guys are thinking down in the comment section below. Are you gonna pick one of these up? Are you gonna place a pre-order? Or are you gonna wait and feel it out a little bit and see what people have to say? I'm definitely gonna be placing my pre-order now, because it's something that I can review later on, which will be super cool. And we'll see how that goes, because the other Ledger devices, they really did look like thumb drives. This is no better, but I didn't need to replace this with a thumb drive looking hardware wallet. But this right here, this stacks looking device, I can see myself using something like that here in my studio next to my computer. That thing would look really, really amazing. And I bet you that thing is going to be a head turner if and when I actually take out my laptop in the airport and pull that thing out. They're gonna be like, ooh, what's that? That doesn't look like a phone, right? So with that, I hope you guys really did enjoy this video. And really quickly here, if you or anyone you know wants to get started in their crypto journey, I do have a link in the description below to download your free PDF that'll help you or someone you know get started on their crypto journey. And if you or someone else you know is looking to take your skills to the next level and see how I use crypto as a source of passive income in my life, then I do also have a link in the description below to book your free webinar training. And last but not least, if you are ready to dive in and jump in and join the BlüWolf crypto family and join the community of like-minded individuals laser focused on creating generational wealth and financial freedom, then I do have a promo code going on until January 1st. So what better way to end your 2022 year and jumpstart your 2023 year by learning an amazing skill that has obviously changed my life and has the potential to change yours as well. Again, all that information will be in the description below. That's all for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one.